Okay, so good morning. Hopefully everybody is doing good, and I hope everybody is stored. So, stored, buddy. Let's start with your the next day with strategic management. A few concepts which we have discussed yesterday for SM. First of all, a definition of SM. It is a managerial process. I hope you remember this word. It's a managerial process of what? Of doing five things. But this five things is not exactly a steps. It is a managerial process of developing a strategic vision, setting objectives, crafting strategy, implementing and evaluating strategy, and taking corrective adjustments deemed appropriate. Along with this, we also discuss one keyword. Whenever I'm discussing a keyword, remember that word. Please be alert for that word. When I say strategic approach and when I say strategy, the concept is different. When I say what is the strategic approach, the answer should be proactive, reactive. But if I say what is the strategy, the things will be different. And how many types of strategy we discussed yesterday? Oh, as a overview, what are the types of strategy we discussed? Basically, okay, 7, which can be divided into two parts. One is corporate level strategy, one is business level strategy. How many corporate level strategy we have discussed yesterday? 4. Stability, expansion, retrenchment. Retrenchment, remember now what? And last point is combination. I told you what is a combination. Combination is basically first three ka multiple points. And three strategies for business level strategies. What are the three business level strategy? Cost leader, differentiation, and focus. Basically, the person who is giving a lowest cost in the industry, a complete industry, the person who is giving a lowest cost, lowest price, he is selling his product at a lowest price, and even he is a profitable, this is called a cost leader. The person who is giving at a premium price, he is charging a premium, but at the same time he is giving a good quality, he is giving a good features, another element is called differentiation. But focus target is something different, which I hope yesterday's brief concept we have discussed. You are aware that if I need to enter into any market where already cost leader can be there, where already differentiation can be there. Okay, if I need to enter into that market, I should always select which strategy? Focus. Okay, at any point of time, once again I'm making you clear, at any point of time I discuss strategy word, not strategic approach. Strategic approach, proactive, reactive. Strategy can be anything. 7 strategy you have discussed, multiple more strategies will come across you in coming days. Just remember this word. So strategic approach will end here only. Strategic approach, two approach we have discussed, proactive, reactive. Proactive means, okay, is the management or the company or the organization doing this and doing analysis. Internal, external is our word. Two or more words which I told you to remember always. Organization, environment, analysis. Okay, so what are the two more words into this? Organization analysis means two more words. Internal, I know internal. Two things we do analysis. The analysis of two things: strength, weakness, and external opportunity and threats. These two analysis we do, and based on this analysis, okay, so I do decide my strategy and then I implement my strategy. It means I am proactive. But there is a change in environment because of which it is affecting me, and it is affecting me at a very high scale, and therefore I take or decide some action. This is called reactive. Okay, so a basic example, multiple example actually we have discussed yesterday on this. I told you, okay, I started online. There was nobody online here. I started online. This is called, okay, nobody is online here. I started online. Proactive. Okay, but somebody started online and it is hampering my sales. Therefore, I started online. Reactive. I hope this point is very clear, na? Everyone? Okay, after that we have started with some discussion on strategic management. Two questions we have discussed yesterday. One was objective of strategic management. What is the objective of strategic management, buddy? To achieve competitive advantage by focusing on my CC. CC, core competency. And second is to guide the organization about the changes in future so that they can adapt their strategies. One more question which we have discussed yesterday was benefits of SM. How many benefits of SM we have discussed yesterday? 7. First point, it is proactive. Framework. Next point. Okay, this is basically external. External focus on shaping the future. Wall. Something. Corporate defense mechanism. Business will be longevity and focusing on my CC and CA. Core competency and competitive advantage. I hope this point is very clear. Okay, even we have understood how the things, individual things can be linked with every element. Okay, so while reading the content, we'll come across this word, don't worry. But I hope the things is very clear now. Okay, 2, 3 points, just recall it out. Okay, how many levels of management are there who decide the strategy? 3, top, middle, lower. No, top, middle, lower, na? No, top, middle, lower is not there. It is corporate level, business level, functional level. Acha, strategies can be decided at which level? Again, the same level. Corporate, business, function. Same answer. The other way around. If I ask you what are the strategic levels in organization, 3 levels. Strategic levels. I hope you are understanding. I am not discussing types of management. See, understand. I am not replacing, or SM is not replacing top, middle, lower. It is saying top, middle, lower are types of management, levels of management. I am discussing strategic levels of management. Who decide the strategies? So there will be always 3. What are the 3 strategic level of management? Corporate, business, and function. I hope this point is very clear. And how many stages in SM are there? 5. What are the stages in SM? Develop a vision, mission, goals, and objectives. Second, organization and environment analysis. Third, formulate strategy. This word will be formulate, not crafting. Formulate strategy, implement strategy, and evaluation and corrective action. Evaluation and controls. Evaluation and controls. I hope everybody clear. Okay, help me out. After 10 years, 15 years down the line, where I want to reach is called. After 10, 15 years down the line, where I want to reach. Vision. Where I want to reach, I will create some benchmark. To reach somewhere, I need to create some benchmarks. So that will be called as goals or objectives. Usually, what is the difference between goals and objectives? 2 things I have discussed yesterday. Time frame, concrete. Time frame and concrete. If you remember one word, okay, the best example. Again, remember like this only. Okay, I want to earn profit. Goals or objectives? Goals. I want to earn 50 crore profit. Goals. I want to earn profit in next 1 year. Goals. I want to earn 50 crore profit in 1 year. Objectives. I hope this point is very clear. So if you are saying in 1 day, I want to achieve this chapter 1. This is objective. I want to complete chapter 1. Goal. This is basically you need to understand. See, what is the mindset in your point, okay, which I made you clear yesterday. Okay, remember this one. You are thinking very correctly. Goal is a long term, objective is a short term. But how you will define long term and short term? How will you define long term and short term? Long term and short term cannot be defined 5 years, 1 year, 2 years. It can be a daily basis also, monthly basis also. If I am saying you, I want to complete my studies in 1 month. I want to complete my studies in 1 month. It is a goal or objective? Objective or goal? Okay, I want to complete my studies in 1 month. If I am saying I want to complete my SM subject in 1 month. Objective. I want to complete study in 1 month. Which study, what criteria? I am not discussing anything else. So I need to be very precise, concrete. Concrete, I hope you are understanding. So suppose I am saying you will complete the SM in 10 days. What is this? SM in 10 days. Objectives. Okay, I want to complete SM. Goal. I want to complete in 10 days. Goals, because I'm not clear. What I need to complete, I need to be very clear. Remember the statement. Huh? Okay, and what is the mission then? What is the mission? I gave you the word also. Remember, okay, mission made 2 words to be remembered very clearly. Acha, let's go back on it. He want to be a practicing CA, a top in Karnataka. He want to become, right now he's a CA student, CA intermediate student. He want to become a practicing CA in Karnataka. A top. Goal, objective, vision, mission. Okay. He want to become a top 10 firm in Karnataka in next 10 years, 10, 15 years. This is what? Vision. I hope everybody clear. He is, right now he is in a STA student. So he's saying, I want to become a top 10 CA practicing firm in 10 years. It is vision. Vision. Mission nahi. It's a vision. Mission is current. Remember this one. So tell me first, once again, after 10 years down the line, I want to be a top 10 in Karnataka. Vision. Okay, I want to become a CA. Goals. Next 1 year, okay, May 26, I want to clear CA intermediate. Objectives. I'm clear. So then what is the mission? mission में 2 words will be there. Mission में what are the 2 words, buddy? 2 words. Acha, what is the mission then? I explained some. Acha, at least recall this one. Mission include objectives or objectives include mission? At least recall this thing. Mission include objectives. So mission will have always 2 things. Mission include objectives, goals and objectives, and how to achieve that goals and objectives is also part of mission. Understand? Okay, what is a mission? Mission means goals, and how to achieve that goals is called a mission. So if I ask you, what is your mission right now? Mission, what is your mission right now? The mission is to clear CA intermediate in May 26, which is an objective only, na? So mission is a part of goals and objective. Mission includes goal and objective. So what is your mission? To clear CA inter May 26. And to clear that, are you doing hard work every day? Okay, so every day you are studying 8 hours a day for the content. After that class, self-study. Okay, so after 3 months will be pending. Jan ke baad, you will be studying 1 month, group 1 month, group 2. And after that test series, MTP, RTP. This is also a part of mission. Okay, there where you need to understand. Unless until you don't have this mission, you can't decide about a study. Mission should be there. So what is the mission, buddy? If I ask you a simple word, what is the mission? Mission is goals to be achieved and how to achieve that goals. So again, one word. Okay, explain mission. Mission means? Okay, mission. Acha, mission includes? One word, yaar. Goals and how to achieve that goals. Okay, acha, in SM, goals and objectives are separately discussed or interchangeably? Interchangeably. So we'll be discussing interchangeably. The next content we'll be starting is about goals, vision, mission, and objectives. But before that, one small question is pending yet. We'll complete that, and once we'll complete that, we'll go through the notes. We'll complete that notes, and then we'll go on the next concept. So, sir, one more question. Do we have a benefits of SM? Do we have a benefits of SM? How many benefits of SM are there, buddy? Proactive. Environment face the future. Corporate defense mechanism. Longevity and CC and CA. Core competency and competitive advantage. Okay. Don't worry, automatically once revision is done, automatically you'll remember with the action, because action matters a lot when to revise the content. Okay, it will really, I told you yesterday also, okay, I'm not worried about recalling the content. And you are already, at least in one day you also aware. The recalling a content will not be very difficult. Our main task will be that 15 marks. My main agenda, 15 marks to be written by you by doing integration. The answer which you are remembering, the question which is coming and integrating, that is a next skill set. That cannot come on day 1, day 2. It requires a time, it requires a content to be done. So, sir, benefits of SM are there. Benefits of SM are there. Undoubtedly. My question, along with these benefits, there comes a limitation. There is a big difference between limitation and disadvantage. Yeah? Limitation and disadvantage, big difference. Disadvantage, okay, can be overcome by doing something. Limitations cannot be overcome. Best example to understand. My limitation is sometimes my language. My limitation. Okay, somebody may say, "Arey sir, you should avoid using word toad, ma kasam. Okay, don't use, you being professional." Okay, I always suggest this is my limitation. This is not disadvantage. I hope you are getting this point. Okay, so now you may come across me, sir. Sir, I understood the concept, but question I'm not understanding question. Okay, this is disadvantage. I'm not discussing question. I can overcome this disadvantage by discussing a question which I discussed with you yesterday. So, example, okay, if you ask me, Amit Ated, what is your disadvantage? It is like my weakness. It's okay. I can overcome. But limitation is the thing which can never be overcome. Can never be overcome. So, there are limitations of SM. Now, how limitations of SM and how it impact us, that is our main discussion on next and last small question before going on vision, mission, and goals and objectives. So, sir, the next question starts with limitations of SM. Everybody with me understand limitations of SM. There are total 4 limitations of SM we need to analyze. First, help me out. Okay, does SM, one of the benefit of SM helps you to be proactive or not? Okay, how it helps to be proactive? By doing what? Analysis. Which analysis? Two analysis. Okay, this analysis which I am doing with this action, this analysis, left one, left hand. This and sorry, my right hand. You are how you are visualizing, but my right hand. This analysis is environmental. Do you think environment analysis, whatever I do, will exactly happen in future? Is environment always same or different? Different, and this is one of the biggest challenge. And that is your first limitation of SM. SM cannot do about anything. You can use SM, you can use 5 steps, you can do the analysis, but the problem is when you implement the strategy, the environment may not be in the same scenario. How you have planned for it? You cannot plan for everything. You cannot plan for everything. You are dependent on some environment. Environment have its own way of interacting because environment is dynamic. What is the meaning of dynamic? What is meaning of dynamic? Acha, static and dynamic, two words are there. Static means constant. Dynamic means changing. How it is changing? It is changing very slowly or constantly. So environment you cannot control. So environment can change constantly. So one of the limitation of SM is the environment is complex and turbulent. The word will be turbulent, which means dynamic. What is the meaning of turbulent, buddy? Had you heard the word turbulent? Okay, flight, airlines. Maximum time turbulent word will be used. Turbulent word will be used in flights. When the flights travel through the clouds and other things, okay, some clouds hit the flights and the flight shakes like this. Okay, that is called turbulence. Jhatka in Hindi. Some other word. You help me out in jhatka. What it says? Kannada. Kannada में क्या बोलते? What we say in Kannada? Ai? Shaking. No, you don't know. Either eco is there. What you say is I want that word later on. Hello. Without mic also I can speak. Nadaku. No. Nadaku. Okay. The environment is Nadaku. Okay. I hope you understood now. Okay. I hope the Nadaku is the same thing. And turbulent or dynamic. The environment is so turbulent or so dynamic that whatever you plan for, it constantly change. And it is also like that you plan for some environment will react like this. It may happen the environment may not react in the same way. A best example, EVs. In India, when EVs was launched, I hope everybody is aware about EV. Two-wheeler EVs have been successfully implemented. If you see, everybody is using two-wheeler and everybody is almost maximum of them, they are satisfied. And EV is fastly adapting everybody for two-wheelers. Four-wheelers, EV is purchased, no doubt. EV is growing. But the problem is the infrastructure in India. Everybody is aware that EV, okay, is a new word as such, or new business dynamics area. Many of companies have started their own EVs car. Tata was the first one in India to launch. Along with now Mahindra has entered, MG has entered, okay, BMW, Audi, everybody has entered into that EV race. But the problem is the EV is not so successful in India. Outside India, it is super successful. But in India, it is yet to be successful. You may be saying that, sir, many of them, they have purchased EV. But the satisfaction level from EV, okay, it not yet came. Because once EV is very successful, it should replace petrol and diesel. Are petrol car and diesel car still very saleable in the market? Yes. Why? Why not EV? Why not everybody is going for EV? Why not everybody is going for EV? My question is very simple. Why you are going with petrol car and diesel car? Why not with EVs? the EV's infrastructure is still yet to be built. And this I myself personally has faced this. Okay, when I purchased the EV also, I found out the problem is that, okay, it can be used in locals. Right now I came from Mumbai to Udupi. Okay, it will be a very big challenge for me to travel EV with the EV here. What is the reason? Charging stations. Okay, this is one of the problem with environment. When I started the business of EV, I assumed that charging station and everybody will be helped out or better, infrastructure will be better, people will adapt. But I started EV manufacturing. People did not react as I was expecting. So this is one of the problem. This is, rather than problem, this is a limitation. SM cannot do anything here. What SM can do? How this point can be overcome? Okay, this point cannot be overcome by saying do thorough analysis. Array, even by doing thorough analysis, do you think environment will react exactly how I want? Yes or nobody? Yes or no? Will environment react according to me? Even if I do thorough analysis then also? No, and this is one of the biggest problems. The first point, I hope everybody clear. Acha, what question we are discussing right now, buddy? Limitations of what? SM. So how many limitations of SM are there? 4. First limitation, environment is complex and turbulent. Because many times when we are interacting with environment, we are thinking about current scenario or future scenario. Are we thinking about current or future? Future. And future is always static or dynamic. The biggest problem here. Can't help it out. SM says I can't do anything. I can tell you to follow 5 steps. Okay, but I can't do anything about environment. Okay, this is your first scenario. Now, the second and third scenario need to understood from a process point of view, a phase point of view. Understand? Aram say, okay, just go slowly for second and third to understand, because I'll be integrating some other concepts also into this. Say, technically speaking, let's assume this is one of the management and Mr. A Tata company. Okay, any of the company. Let's assume. Tata company, or more precisely Tata Motors. Tata Motors, Mr. A is a Mr. A nahi. Mr. Who was a Tata Motors ka example? Mr. P. P was there, na? Nahi, P nahi. Mr. X was there. X. Tata Motors CEO is Mr. X. Now Tata Motors want to do SM. Okay, Tata Motors want to do SM. Tell me what he will do. If I'm saying Tata Motors, Mr. X want to follow SM, what he want to follow? 5 steps. Everybody agree with 5 steps? Tomorrow, almost in first session, okay, if you remember, by 11 o'clock, we completed these 5 steps. It was very easy for us to understand the theory, but do you think in real life, these 5 steps can be completed in real life? These 5 steps can be completed in 2 hours. I'm telling you, it will even not completed in 2 months also. Why? Help me out with 5 steps. Help me out with 5 steps. Developing vision, mission, goals. Second, analysis. Third, formulating. Okay, hold here. Developing vision, mission, goals, objectives. Okay, it is very good for Mr. X to develop vision, mission, goals, objectives for Tata Motors. Because Mr. X is having a control over there. Mr. X knows what he wants to do. What is his vision? What is his mission? What are the goals? What are the objectives? But the problem with Mr. X comes at second stage. What is the second stage? Doing the analysis. Now, can you help me out? Which analysis we do in second step? Okay, it's organization and environment. Word. Replace some two words. SWOT. SW. OT. What is SW? Strength, weakness, and opportunity and threats. My first question. Okay, आराम से take it understandingly, because this what I'm discussing right now exactly I'll be discussing on next Saturday, because this is again linked with last chapter also. So Mr. X, okay, when he want to do SW and OT, okay, do you think Mr. X himself will perform this? Do you think Mr. X himself will perform this? If Mr. X is able to perform this, then why he should do analysis then? If he is able to understand everything, okay, why he should do the analysis? He is a CEO. He is aware about everything. Then why he should do the analysis? He is required to do the analysis because he is not aware about every element. Now, question is, do you think Mr. X will go in the market and do this analysis? Or some expert he will appoint? Expert. where a chartered accountant can also play a role. Mr. X appoint Mr. K and says, Mr. K is an expert. Sir, which expert? Strategic expert. A strategic expert, strategic advisor. A strategic advisor, huh? How the CEO are there, the strategic expert, strategic consultant, strategic advisor role are there. Who fill this role? Many times MBAs. CA are not in this because for CA, strategic role to play comes with a major knowledge or a bigger knowledge rather than you are focusing only on accounting and auditing. So if I'm a CA, CS or CMA kind of thing where I'm having all knowledge, legal knowledge, accounting knowledge, costing knowledge, expertise, I can also become a strategic advisor. Strategic advisor, he called Mr. K, strategic advisor, and told Mr. K, please perform, okay, SW and OT. Okay, I hope everybody is very clear till here. Example is very clear. Now tell me what Mr. K will do. Mr. K, what Mr. K will do? Mr. K want to do analysis, na? What Mr. K will do? And he need to do analysis of SWOT. Whatever example is there in your mind, tell me, na? Okay, acha, let me elaborate the example once again. Okay, Motors, Tata Motors, production manager is who? Mr. P. Accounting manager was Mr. Q. HR manager is Mr. R. And one more manager was sales and marketing, Mr. S. Something like that. Upside down it may happen, but I hope this is very clear. Now tell me what Mr. K will do here. He want to do the analysis. My friends, I am asking you a very basic question. I am not asking any technical question. Mr. K want to do strength, weakness, opportunity, threats. What Mr. K will do? I gave you the name of the people working in organization. Below these people, Mr. P, Q, R, S, there will be many employees also working there. And I have already suggested an environment. Okay, so what Mr. K will do here? Okay, basically madam has been interacting very well. Okay, so here Mr. K will definitely come here, will interact with every manager and will say, okay, so what you do better, what you don't do better, what is the problem you are facing, what is the things which you are better. So what is your better is nothing but a strength. What you are not able to perform better is weakness. Example, production manager says, Mr. P says, I can ensure the inventory carrying cost and inventory ordering cost is managed at a minimum level. What is this for Mr. P? Strength. This is strength. But Mr. P says, while doing the production facility, their loss, I hope you have heard about the loss. There are two types of loss. One is normal loss, abnormal loss. Mr. P says, I'm not able to control the normal loss and abnormal loss. This goes like anything. Sometimes one batch is produced, okay, so maximum is loss. Sometimes batch is produced. So this is a problem for me. So tell me, this is strength or weakness? Weakness. I hope this point is very clear. Yes or no? Okay, so Mr. K, do you think I hope you are understanding. Do you think Mr. K will interact with everyone? Yes or no? Acha, this is done with strength and weakness. Do you think Mr. K will also interact with Mr. X? Understand with practical aspects, huh? Do you think Mr. K should interact with X also? Exactly what is the strategy required? Which type of analysis is required? What is your vision? What is your mission? What are your goals and objectives? What analysis is required exactly? That is also very important, nah? So he will interact with this all people. Will he interact only within the environment or outside the environment also? Outside the environment. He need to gather the information about OT. OT? Opportunity and threats. He need to go through multiple websites. He need to go through law regulations. He need to go through government data. What was the pattern of government? How customer behavior changes? In what time customer is shopping? Nowadays, because of AI, artificial intelligence, this data is very easy to gather. In traditional way, this data was very difficult. Nowadays, because of so much of data analytics, this thing is very easy to gather. Now, doing this thing, Mr. K, my question, just think practically. And again, I want you to think practically. Huh? Tell me, the company is already running, means what I want to say is, they are focusing on developing a new product, EV. But are they manufacturing diesel car and petrol car already? This is Tata Motors, na buddy. Everybody with me? Are they manufacturing diesel and petrol car or not? Yes. Okay. Are they entering into EV market also? For EV market, they are doing this analysis. My question, tell me correctly, Mr. P, Mr. Q, Mr. R, Mr. S, are these people free or they are also already doing their day-to-day work? Are they doing day-to-day work or they are free? Day-to-day work, yaar. Okay, now tell me when Mr. K should interact with them. Mr. K want an interaction. Mr. K will do inquiry. He will gather the information from Mr. PQRS when they should interact. Because whenever Mr. K is coming to P, P says, no time, come later on, I'm occupied with production. Okay, Q, no time, I'm occupied with some accounting. R, I'm occupied with something. I hope you are getting this point. The problem, understand. This is a basic problem. So now what Mr. K will do? What Mr. K will do? Acha, are you understanding the situation or not? And tell me what Mr. K should do. You are Mr. K, assume. Huh? Meeting, but when they should meet, they Mr. K is going to P is saying I'm not having time now. Acha, right now somebody from Trisha is doing SM, and Mr. K they have appointed, and they told we need to do the analysis how Amit teaches or how Amit. Now he's coming to me right now. Okay, should I take the class or should I do this interaction with Mr. K? Acha, I should leave the class and do the interaction. Okay, yani already current business flop. What about the future? Current business I cannot leave, buddy. Current business order will be there. Production is there. Current accounting is there. I cannot leave. So tell me what should, you are Mr. K. So what should you do now? A meeting I understood, but when you should meet, the question is this. After, sometime after office hours? Do you think I will be sitting here after office hours? After 6 o'clock, they are saying, Arey Amit, please sit. Now tell me, will I be very eager to give data? This is one of the biggest problem here. Now you tell me how should you handle this? Because at the end of the day, suppose you are Mr. K, you are coming and at 6 o'clock, okay, do you think I will be giving a complete detail or I will be wrapping up the inquiry? So what should I do? Matlab, how should you handle this? So ma'am's told to give them a feedback form, and when they are free, okay, so when I'll be free now? Okay, when I'll be free? Okay, next Saturday. No, next Saturday. After that, I'll be going in Mumbai. My final audit batch is there. The next day, 10th, matlab, I'll be going in Mumbai. Where after that, sir, after final audit batch, okay, once I'm free. After that, my brother-in-law marriage is there. Hey, that is very important. I can skip everything. Brother-in-law, I hope you are aware, na? Sala. Okay, in Hindi we say Sala. Brother-in-law. Very important. Boss, he's God for us. He gave his sister to me, which is the biggest wonder in life. Brother-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law. Oh, why? Okay, wife-in-law is not. Oh, my God. Okay, but nevertheless, jokes apart. Technically, after that 2-3 day marriage is there. After that, again, batch in Pune is there. Pune batch, I'll be taking Pune batch. Then 1.5 months, I'm in Pune. So, when now I'll fill form in March. Is it okay for Trisha? Now tell me how you should approach. Now you are Mr. K, yaar. You are not able to handle. How you will handle the future, yaar? Your future chartered accountant, I'm thinking about you, and ma kasam, you are not answering at least one common point. Okay, bhai, madam told. Okay, in this case, Mr. K will go to whom? Mr. X. Chairman person. Okay, for example, now you may go to Mr. Gopal sir. Gopal sir, you go and say, Gopal sir, you appoint me as an analyst, but there is no person who is interacting with me. I'm going to there. I'm, tuck, door, knocking. Every time they say, no time today. Now tell me, okay, so what Gopal sir or Mr. X will do? Okay, Mr. X will tell Mr. P. What will Mr. X will tell to Mr. P? Mr. P, please come here. Okay, interact with this one. Now imagine Mr. P's habit. Think about I am Mr. P or you are Mr. P. and somebody has complained to you about you to your senior. Attitude issue. Okay, so if you are not listening here, I'm telling you study, 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 study. You are not studying. I will complain to your parents. Automatically your ego will hurt towards me. Acha, Tod, you are going to my parents. I will show you. This what? This is a tendency of human. This is a common tendency. This is what we called a culture. A culture in organization. Mr. X will be the responsible person who should ensure that Mr. P, Mr. Q, Mr. R, Mr. S should interact this thing as quickly as possible. He's not saying, please shut down the current work. I'm not saying to shut down. How I can shut down the current work and I will think about future. Okay, this will not happen. But there should be a culture that this, whatever Mr. K is doing, he may be the outsider. He may be the outsider, but he is a person who is doing good for us. This is what Mr. K's understanding should be there. This depends on culture. But in any scenario, I hope in last 10 minutes you understood the problem with SM. And now think logically. Think logically. Okay, now two things will be there. First of all, help me out. I hope you understood the case. Last 10 minutes. Yes or no? So tell me, SM may 5 stages keep aside. Second stage itself is making blunder for us. So SM is very quickly done or time consuming process. I hope you understood why time consuming. Why time consuming it is? Why time consuming? Arey, I explained pura story yaar. Why it is time consuming? People who are involved in analysis are already occupied with their daily task. And after that also they need to interact for the future. And this is very challenging task. It takes a time. You cannot compromise your current work and focus on future. Bharat Mata ki jai. I hope this is clear. And third point, I'm saying SM is costly. Why SM is costly? So second, I hope second, everybody clear. SM is time consuming. And third, I'm saying SM is costly. Tell me why SM is costly. We require to appoint whom? Expert. Acha, why we cannot appoint Mr. P, Mr. Q, Mr. R, Mr. S? Are they general manager or special manager? Special. They are special one. Acha, why Mr. X is not able to do? He is taking care of company. He will not be able to visual. Every person problem, including you, including me. I can analyze my strength very well, but I cannot analyze my weakness. If you ask me, Amit Tated, what you do best, I will say this is best, this is best, this is best, this is best, this is best. What are your weakness? I may count 1 or 2, but some weakness I may undermine myself. For you also, many times you may think about only strength. Weakness is not easy to understand unless and until somebody else is telling you, you are weak here. This is our real life. This is our real life. Okay, in I'm converting in English. Okay, mirror will show you the real face. Real face. So exactly somebody should be there to tell you what is the real face. So we require an expert. Acha, expert will, this should be expert or some 10th pass guy. Expert, na? Okay, so expert will come at low cost or high cost? High cost. So therefore, third disadvantage, limitations of SM. SM is costly. I'm telling you, it is a limitation or disadvantage? Limitation. If it would be a disadvantage, can we overcome this? But it is not, okay, disadvantage. It limitation. You can't overcome. You need to appoint expert. You yourself cannot do analysis. You can decide about strategy, but you cannot do analysis. I hope this point is very clear, buddy. Can we go ahead? Okay. So 3 disadvantages. Okay. And one more point which I explained you during the disadvantage. Okay. Can we reduce the time consuming process? See, SM is time consuming. Time will consumed. Undoubtedly, time will consumed. Bharat Mata ki hai. Everybody here. Time will consume. Time will be consumed. But can we reduce this time to the extent? How? So you are not getting involved, buddy. You need to get involved, because whatever concept I'm discussing, I'm very interactive. Okay, I want that interaction, but at the same time, at least you are understanding how you can reduce the time. Okay, how can Mr. K ensure that the process can be done quickly? Acha, he will go to these people. Everybody on the screen, he will go to these people. Okay, these people will directly interact. No. Then he will go to Mr. K, Mr. X. Mr. X will shout on this. Again, they will interact, but they will interact with free flow. Free flow means they will share the information freely. No. The problem is there. So it depends on culture of organization. Who should ensure out of this? Who should ensure? Help me out. Who should ensure Mr. PQRS should give information freely? Mr. X. He is the person who will create a culture in the organization. Top management is the person who create a culture in organization. At your home, culture is created by your dad, your grandfather. Then he shifted to dad. The dad culture is shifting on you, and you are shifting to your future. Culture matters a lot. How you stay, how you interact. Okay, example, if I want to become a cost leader, help me out, cost leader, production should be more or less? More, but at the same time, loss should be normal loss, abnormal loss should be more or less? Less, then only cost will reduce per unit. Cost per unit to reduce, the culture is there. But in differentiation, tell me, differentiation may, okay, do you need to focus on low cost or focus on good quality? Premium quality? Okay, so R&D is more important where? Cost leader or differentiation? Differentiation. So tell me, if I am a top management, Mr. X, you are PQRS, okay, and I want differentiation, am I eager to expense out like anything? I should spend more money or less money on you? More money. But if I want to become a cost leader, I should spend more money or less money? That is my object. This culture at home. Okay, some family may have a culture that whatever is in your plate, okay, either it may be chapati or vegetable or something, it should be very clean, okay, done and dusted. This is a different culture. They avoid wastage. Food should not be waste as such, but I'm discussing about one culture. In that family, the culture will be, don't try any new, what we say, cooking item or something like that. Regular item is there, prepare that. This is how the cost leadership is achieved. But if I am having a differentiation culture, my daughter says, I will try the pasta in different flavor. And suppose she is making that pasta in different flavor, and it may not taste good. Or it may taste sour, something different way. Help me out. Will that food will be waste or not? So, but I'm okay with it, because this is how you will try and get a good recipe. So that culture, it's a culture in your family. The same comes in culture. If Mr. X has prepared the culture that PQRS, we need to be very focused on future. It is not today, it is 10 years down the line, 20 years down the line. We need to be aggressively engrossed. We need to work current, and we need to also work along with it future. Mr. PQRS will be involved, buddy. So remember this word, huh? Culture matters a lot or not? Okay, acha. Let me give you one basic example, one more. One product, acha, are you aware about Tata? Are you aware about Reliance? Assume one product is manufactured by Tata and Reliance. One product is manufactured by Tata and also by Reliance. Same quality, same quantity, same amount. Everything is same. You will purchase from. Everything is same. Reliance also manufacturing a same product, same amount, same, everything is same. You will purchase of the product of Tata or Reliance. Why not Reliance? Same quantity, same quality, everything same. Then also you purchase from Tata. Maximum answer will be Tata. Why? Why not Reliance? I'm not entering into politics and other things, huh? Okay, but why not Reliance? Why not Reliance? Why only Tata? Acha, is Reliance a bad company? No, buddy. Reliance is also a good company. The difference is Tata plays a role for society. Reliance plays a role for investors. Tata take care of society. Tata earn money, provide this money, give this money back to the society in many forms. If you are aware about CSR, corporate social responsibility, Tata take care very carefully. But this is not the case with Reliance. Reliance do only what is compulsion, but Reliance do good for whom? Investors. So from society point of view, who is doing good for value for society? Tata. Therefore, Tata. So does value matters or not? Value matters. Culture matters. How we communicate, how we are eager to implement. And over a period, over this next 7 days, okay, you will be focusing on this culture concept only. Culture. Remember this culture. I hope this point is very clear. So help me out. 3 limitations, not disadvantages. Limitation. First, SMAs. First, environment is complex and turbulent. Second, SMAs, time consuming. SMAs, okay. Now help me out. Okay, only I'll be using SM or my competitor will also use SM. Okay, what is an objective of SM? What is an objective of SM? Only one objective, tell me. First objective, to achieve competitive advantage. My friend, if he is my competitor and I am the competitor, if I am using SM, he is using SM, he is also using SM. He is also using 5 steps. I am also using 5 steps. Who will be successful? Who will be successful? Who will be successful? And this is one of the biggest problem with SM. SM says everybody will follow SM, but do you think everybody will be successful only, or few of them will be successful? Why so? Because they are outsmarting some others. One of the biggest problem of SM is it is very difficult to identify competitive response. It is very difficult to identify competitive response. What is the meaning of this? Understand. Okay, I may understand environment. I may plan for environment. I may understand my strength and weakness. But in environment, one of the person is competitor. Okay, he has not launched any product. I have launched a new product, and I thought once my product is launched, I will capture a complete market because nobody has this CC, core competency, and nobody will be able to manufacture this. This skill set is only with me. I thought this. I identified, bhai, these are the competitors. They don't have that CC, man. Okay, I understood. And I launched the product. And immediately after the launching the product, these are the competitors, copied the product. And they launched, they were having a CC, which I was not aware. When I was planning to launch the product, they were also planning to launch the same product. When I was planning Coca-Cola, I was planning to launch the Nimbu Pani, lemon water. Okay, Pepsi was also planning to launch Nimbu's lemon water. The same thing. It's difficult. Now, who will be successful in this market? This is one of the biggest problem of SM. So, what SM ka limitation says, it is difficult to identify. आराम से identify competitive response. It is difficult to identify which response, buddy? Competitive response. What is the meaning of competitive response? What can be the competitor strategies? It is very difficult to identify in SM because he is also following SM. He will also have his own strategies. He will also formulate a strategy. I hope everybody is with me. Will he formulate a strategy or not? Will I formulate a strategy or not? But whose strategy is better? How will I identify? Unless and until I don't know his strategy, how can I say my strategy is better? And this is one of the limitations of SM. SM says I cannot do anything. Sir, what is the reason why I am not able to identify the competitor response? Okay, Acha, so do you think I will go to competitor? Hey, competitor, what you will do? Tell me now, please, what you will do? Hey, competitor, please, I am launching one product. Please tell. This is how you will interact? Do you think competitor will come to you and say, hey, I am launching a product, please don't launch? This is how the interaction will done. The competitor, every strategic decisions are taken behind the closed doors. If I'm a top management, I'm a corporate level management. If I'm deciding some strategy, okay, the strategic manager will be taking these decisions. Strategic managers will be taking these decisions where they will be taking these decisions in open forum or closed doors. And it's very difficult to identify. Bharat Mata ki jai. I hope this point is very clear. How many limitations of SM are there? What are the 4 limitations? The environment is, first is environment. Environment is complex and turbulent. time consuming, costly, and it is difficult to identify competitive response. Everybody clear? So technically speaking, on the screen, everyone, for SM starting point, for SM, we have discussed 3 questions. What are the 3 questions we have discussed? One is objective, benefits, and limitations. I hope these 3 questions are clear, buddy. Acha, tell me seriously, on serious front, I'm discussing. I'm not discussing, just don't tell me yes, yes, yes. Tell me, did you understood the concept of time consuming and costly? Everyone? Did you? Pakka? Okay, time consuming. Why it is time consuming? Because first the experts come. Expert is from inside the organization or outside? And does he need to interact inside? But the problem is, everyone is busy with their day-to-day work. And if they start interacting with the Mr. K, the problem is, what will hamper? The day-to-day work will be hamper. Even in current market, we may go with less competitive. This can be the major reason for this. Okay, so everybody understood the culture? See, culture cannot be understood in day 1 or day 2. Probably yesterday it was not day 1 actually. It was an introduction day. Today we are starting a content. So I hope from day 1 you can't understand the culture. But starting, what I want to understand is, the seed has been sowed. Seed has been sowed here. That there is a concept of culture. There is a concept of culture. Culture matters a lot everywhere. It's a culture which cannot be copied. Product can be copied. Culture cannot be copied. Every organization can copy each other products. But what cannot be copied? Culture. Culture matters the most. Culture makes sure that how the organization can be successful or not in a long term. And this will come in near point. But these are the 3 questions which we have discussed. So till now, okay, everybody on the screen, I'm just drawing one chart. Everybody on the screen. First, okay, we will discuss some definitions. One definition will be of management, one definition will be of strategy. Okay, this definition. I will not discuss this definition today. Okay, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll be discussing this definition. Common discussion we have already done. Okay, management. What is the meaning of management? Yesterday I discussed with 2 words. Process or levels of management. And second, what is the strategy? Something to do with winning the war. And one formal definition will close today. Okay, this is your first set. Second set, okay, strategic approach. Help me out. What is the strategic approach? Everybody on the screen and tell me. Proactive and reactive. Everybody clear? Okay. Third, SM. What is a SM ka full form? Strategic management. In strategic management, how many questions we have discussed, buddy? 3 questions. What are 3 questions? Benefits and limitations. Third, buddy, clear? Okay. After that, one more concept will come is the strategic intent, which we'll discuss later on after reading the book, and probably means the next session. The next session will be on strategic intent. What is the meaning of intent? Intent. You have never heard the word intent? Intent. Whenever you say, what is the meaning of intent? थोड़ा सा loud. Everybody is saying something. थोड़ा सा loud. Intent means intention. So right now you are sitting in SM lecture. What is your intention? Huh? To understand SM. Okay, but only to understand SM. By sitting 50 hours, you will only understand SM. That's your intention. Your intention is to only understand SM. Acha, so your intention is to only understand SM. If your intention is only to understand SM, I would suggest then better option. I will not do question bank then. Because your intention is to understand SM only. So let avoid question bank. Is it okay? Then why we need to do the question bank? एग्जाम्पल पास्ट वास्ट गया तेल लेने, मतलब गॉन टू टेक ऑयल. ओके, इन आवर हिंदी वी ऑलवेज से, मतलब है ना, समथिंग नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. It is not about yesterday you saw the question, how the questions are there. If you don't read the question carefully, it is not about past question to go through. It is about understanding what expectation is of ICI. So is your intention to learn SM, then it's okay. Then we will avoid question bank. Is it okay? Arey yaar, I am asking you a question, you are not. Mark kasam, I will do Tandava. Okay, is your intention to understand SM only? So what is your intention then? You don't know your intention, you're sitting in my class. I know my intention and I'm in class. Understand SM, ho gaya. Next. Huh? To crack the exam. To clear the exam? Which exam? Okay, MBA. MBA. Acha, everybody, anybody giving MBA? CA, na? Hi, na, you had a food or not? So are you giving MBA or CA? So you need to clear. Acha, your intention is to understand SM. First intention. Second intention, to crack the exam. Which exam? CA final. A inter. Okay, in May 27. Okay, intention to clear inter May 26. Intention to understand SM. To crack the examination. Intention. Acha, why you want to crack the examination CA inter 26? Why you want to crack the exam of CA inter 26, May 26? So that we can give CA final in 29, 28. I hope everybody is on the same line. Okay, and after that you will become a CA. Acha, after becoming a CA, what do you need to do? You need to play Gotia. So what do you do? What next? Why? Everybody should have some answers, buddy. Okay, he'll be in practice. Everybody is in practice. Everybody doing practice in Karnataka. Ma kasam, Karnataka is full house of practice. Everybody is practicing. So everybody is interested in practicing. Okay, somebody may be interested in practicing. Somebody may be interested in jobs, big fours, or can be a corporate jobs. Somebody interested in teaching. Somebody may be interested in business. Somebody is taking only for a knowledge. Let's clear a CA, and after that I will see. I don't have right now a good vision. Somebody is saying, no sir, only for marriage. Okay, after becoming a CA, marriage. Okay, fair enough. Yani, what is your intention right now sitting in class? Okay, imagine what your intention. So many intentions are there. What exactly these concepts are? I gave you complete list, yaar. What exactly this list mean for it? Intent. Wow. Intent I understood. I'm explaining intent only, but what exactly this word, this I have explained in some other example also. So what is the strategic intent? Vision, mission, goals and objectives. And one more point will come across is values. Okay, it's culture. Your vision is good, your mission is good, your goals and objectives are superb, but if your values are not there, if your culture is not there, there is no logic behind having a vision and mission also. Acha, smugglers or the person who sell charas ganja, what do we say? Charas ganja, like that. Drugs, the banned drugs, prohibited, not good. Remember, okay, so 2-3 things very, very life may, if you want to grow, clearly avoid this. Clearly, else you will be finding in gutter. One fine day, okay, is drinking, smoking, drugs, alcohol. You will one fine day, somebody in future, see, you will be finding, you will sitting in near side gutter and you will be sleeping there. Avoid these things. These are a life point. Okay, so do something best in life. Okay, you have a vision, good enough. You have a goals, objectives, good enough. You have a everything is good enough. But at the same time, if you don't have a values, doesn't make a sense. What is your vision? Values matters a lot. Though technically speaking, okay, the person who sells drugs is also having his vision. He's also having his goals and objectives. Do you think he's a good businessman from society point of view? Why? What is not having? Values. Acha, the person selling alcohol. Now somebody may say, sir, what is the problem? We can drink occasionally, sir. That occasionally, when it convert into frequently, and when frequently convert into daily, and daily can be multiple times, you never know, buddy. You may be thinking that drinking may be a status figure or something like that. Blunder. Bakwas. It's a blunder for you, your family, and everybody at family. Okay, and why you are not, when you are doing, you are linking everybody in the family. Remember that. So values matters a lot. And intent always say, okay, you should have a vision, you should have a mission, you should have goals and objectives. Along with, you should also have values. So, sir, what is the intent? Intent means what? How many stages of SM? 5 stages of SM. So, intent is which stage? First stage, intent definition. Remember, listen. Philosophical base of SM. SM ka base is intent. The base of SM is intent. But it is a philosophy, because when I say vision, what is his vision? What is his vision? Arey, how many times I will discuss his vision here? To become a practicing CA top 10. Okay, it's a philosophy. It's not real unless until you don't become a CA. So it's a philosophical base. So if I say a base of SM, what is the base of SM? Intent. Which intent? Strategic intent. So tell me, in strategic intent, how many questions, how many concepts we need to discuss, buddy? Okay, how many concepts we need to discuss? Total will be 5 or 4? 4. Why, sir, 4? Because goals and objectives are interchangeably. Therefore, goals and objectives, we don't have a separate answers. The first concept will have vision. The second concept will be having mission. Third will be GO. What is GO? Goals and objectives. And last point will be values. Acha, define, if I ask you, please explain strategic intent. So what is the one line answer? It is a philosophical base. Philosophical base of SM. SM, philosophical base of SM. Remember this. SM, philosophical base of SM. Philosophical base of SM is nothing but intent. Everybody clear? Yes or no? Okay, is everybody on the screen now? Once. Everybody on the screen. And remember, okay, once I complete this chart today or probably half an hour ahead, tomorrow morning, I will share this chart with ma'am. Okay, they will share, their group will be there. They will share this. Prepare this chart at your end. Okay, once I complete the chart. And I will tell you how to complete it out. And your target will be that to prepare the chart. This chart will help you to control the structure, a complete structure. A complete structure. Everybody with me? Acha. At what time you are sleeping? Night? 1, 2, 3. What you are doing till 1 to 3? Studying. At what time you are sleeping average? 2. Practically speaking, if you are sleeping at 2, okay, and you are waking up at a morning 7:30, 7. After 7 you do puja. 7, 2 to 7. 5 was basically. Okay, my suggestion, my friends, at least tomorrow, take a sleep. When the lecture is so long, take a sleep at night. At least avoid sleeping in class. See, human requires sleep. 6 to 7 hours bare minimum sleep is required. Okay, if you compromise sleep, it can compromise only to 1 day. Next day, automatically, body will give the signals. At least, okay, so that I ensure you, I give you guarantee, if you pay complete attention in class. Okay, my guarantee, by the end of the day, by the end of the all lectures, okay, 70-80% is done in class itself. But the condition applied. It cannot be done only I am screaming. It need to be involved by you. If your system is somewhere else because The sleep at night was not done adequately and other things. Okay, so it's a matter of 2-3 days you need to manage. After that, the lecture is till 3 o'clock, 3. Okay, 3:15. It's okay because after that 2 hours session is there. But till 5 o'clock, the session is continuous. So please manage it out by. Okay, don't sleep in class. And usually I don't shout or something like that because I'm not that kind of a person. My logic is very simple. It is all about intent. It is all about what your intent is. If your intent is to clear the things you will do in that area, but the only thing is my task is to give you a direction. Every time I will be telling you, I will be giving you a direction, but to follow on that direction, it's your choice. Okay, so please, humble request here. Okay, because I understand to take a short nap is okay. I hope you are getting the point. To take a short nap, I'm okay. Okay, what is the short nap? Okay, it's a human behavior. Sitting at one place, you are listening. I'm trying to tell you, and you are speaking to some extent. But you are one-way communication, maximum one-way communication. It happens automatically. A human behavior. Sometime okay, going out and coming back. It's okay. That's a short nap. I'm okay with short nap. It's okay. Human behavior, eh? Human behavior. But short nap should be a short nap. It should not be a sleep. Matlab, short nap is converting into sleep, and what is happening with what will happen with you? Understand this. It will happen like this. You will sleeping complete lecture in SM, and at night you are studying SM. Okay, and coming back again, oh SM, wapan sleeping. Okay, I don't see the logic behind this particular concept. Huh? So my friends, I expect you'll be following this point. So tell me, strategic intent. Okay, what is the strategic intent? Define. Strategic intent. Philosophical base of SM. And how many components or parts of strategic intent are there? 4. What are the 4 parts? Vision, mission, goals and objectives. And everybody clear? Okay. Now listen ahead. I'm creating a one structure. I'm making a structure ready, which I will be going it today. This is your one answer of strategic intent. That answer is close. Now we will have a separate question on vision also, mission also, goals and objectives also, and values also. Means this is called a wholesale and retail concept. Listen carefully. Wholesale and retail. Wholesale. Explain what are the parts of strategic intent. How many parts of strategic intent are there? 4. Okay, this answer is done. Okay, 4. Head point masala. We'll discuss the content. Don't worry. Later on. Right now, my agenda is not strategic intent. I'm creating a chart. Okay. Yes. Vision, mission, goals, objectives, values. Okay. Done. Fair enough. Okay. I'm done. Now, retail. On vision, you will have separate question. What are the essentials of vision? One separate question. Mission, you will have total 3 questions. Okay, 2 more concepts will be there, but mainly 3 questions will be discussed here. Concept will also there. Okay, in goals and objectives, you will have 2 more questions. Goals and objective question, that is not a question of intent, that is a question of goals and objectives. And value, only one concept, one question is discussed. That's it. Because values, culture, mainly discussed in your chapter 5. So technically, okay, this is your second session, which will be starting at 11:30 until 1 or 1:45 to 3:15. You will be dealing with these points. I hope a clear point. So first of all, okay, strategy. If I ask you a strategic intent, okay, we'll close this one. After that, vision, mission, goals, and objectives. And after that, my friend, you will come across levels in organization. Which levels? Which level? Organization. Which level? Strategic levels. So how many strategic levels are there? What are 3 strategic levels? Corporate, business, and functional. We have understood the basic concept. Today we'll understand the retail questions on it. This is your afternoon session. And the last, okay, if time permits today, we'll complete the last point, network of relationship. Or else, network of relationship will go tomorrow morning. And tomorrow, your agenda will be, okay, we'll revising chapter 1 again and chapter 4th. Chapter 4th, because tomorrow we have a good lengthy session. It's almost a 7 hour odd session. Okay, so tomorrow our chapter 4th will be almost done. So chapter 1, chapter 4th. This technical points need to be remembered. So I hope everybody is able to see the screen, buddy. So if I ask you chapter 1, how many concepts are there? Tell me. Chart, recall chart. How many concepts are there? Chapter 1. I know I have shifted out. 2 minutes, ma'am. Okay, tell me, recall, try to recall. First is definition. Second is approach. Third is, which we have discussed already, SM. Fourth is intent. Fifth is levels. And sixth is network. Recall. Once again. First, definition. Second, approach. Third, SM. Fourth, intent. Fifth, and last, I hope this point is very clear. Okay, in first definition are there strategy and management. Approach, how many approach are there? 2. What are the 2 approach? Third body. Okay, next, SM. How many questions are there? 3 questions. SM. Third portion. I want you to visualize. I don't want you to look every time on board. I want you to visualize in your mindset, and then only you will be able to have a control over subject. SM. How many questions will be there? Objective, benefits, limitation. Objective. How many objectives are there? 2. To achieve competitive advantage. To guide the company about adapting changes in future. Clear? How many benefits are there? Proactive. Framework. Environment. Face the future. Wall. Corporate defense mechanism. Longevity and my CC and CA. Core competency and competitive advantage. Next point, third question, limitations. SMA environment is complex and turbulent, time consuming, and it is difficult to identify competitive response. And next head was strategic intent. What is the definition of intent? Definition, philosophical base of SM. And in this, we have total 4 parts in it. What are the 4 parts? Vision, mission, goals and objectives. Everybody clear? So I hope this is, I hope now you are clear what is an approach of our towards all chapters now. How I go, now you are very clear my teaching style. So this is what I do always. And now we have completed this one. Now let's close the textbooks. Textbooks will complete it out, go through every content. And after that, okay, the next session starts with strategic intent. We'll discuss again the same way what we discussed. We'll try to recall, we'll try to remember, and then go through the textbooks. What I hope you're understanding. It's going with multiple iterations, repetitions. Because of these repetitions, the retention becomes much easier, and this repetitions helps you to recall the content. And once example, my chapter 1 is over. Okay, so, once our chapter is over, 1 is over. Exactly, right now also you are already aware. This much concept is done. Hardly 2-3 minutes is required to recall. Revise. Once chapter 1 is done, I will record, okay, 10 minutes, 7-8 minutes clips for you to revise. And I will share this clip in an open lecture, so which you can use for revision. This is what exactly, okay, the logic will be there for all 5 chapters, which can be used again and again to revise. I hope this point is very clear. So how to study ahead and other things, I'll share with you in coming days. But I hope the approach is clear with everyone. Okay, acha, 2-3 things which we have discussed. Do you think strategy replace alert management? A good strategy replace alert management? No. Do we require alert management? So strategy is not a substitute for responsible and alert management. Strategy is not a substitute for responsible and alert management. Acha, strategy is always flawless. Strategy is always flawless. No. Okay, strategy may flaw rahega. It will have a flaw or not. Yes, strategy may have a flaw or not. Flaw will have a flaw. May not be flawless. This is some concept which you need to discuss. Okay, so this is the starting point. Okay, so you start with your textbook. Come to your page 1. So few points which are in module, which does not require revision and other things. Okay, so by going through textbooks, by going through your module, we can just close that concept. Okay, but that concept does not require again and again. LDR, I hope you remember the word LDR. LDR, last day revision. What is the importance of LDR? These answers should be taken care very well. Does it mean the question which are not LDR should not be read? If I mark you one question LDR, example, the benefits of SM is always an LDR. Benefits of SM is always an LDR. So now tell me, what does it mean? It means objective and limitation should be avoided. Then what it means? We need to read everything thoroughly, but more alert. SM. Try to remember SM benefits with Ratify context. Okay, it can also be integrated with case studies. It can also be integrated with many other concepts. Bharat Mata ki jai. Everybody clear? Okay. So start with your page 1. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Okay, I'll discuss at later stage. So page 1, leave it now. Okay, because some definition I need to go in chapter 4th. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll discuss page 1. Go to the next page. Page 2. Okay. First of all, in page 2, we'll discuss this one. Strategy wala, and we may define strategy. Okay, we'll read the content. I will tell you which need to be remembered. Strategy is a game plan. That management of business uses to take market position, conduct its operation, attract and satisfy customer, compete successfully, and achieve organization objective. Aram se. Okay, I don't want this particular things to be rectified, but I want few keywords to be going into a system. One word, strategy. What is a strategy? First word is strategy is a game plan. Game plan, who uses this game plan? Management. Okay, which management? Business. Okay, now he used this game plan, okay, for what purpose? First, which purpose? Remember only keyword, market. Market position, matlab market. Second purpose, conduct its operation. What is the meaning of operation? Okay, day-to-day task. Production activity, okay, so production activity, storing activity, inventory, every element, operation. After that, okay, it focus on customers. It also focus on competing successfully. Compete. I want to compete with each other. And last, ultimately, what I need to achieve? Objectives. So my question, okay, this is a common definition. Just remember keywords, huh? So strategy. Is strategy a game plan? Which includes, which is taken, who uses this game plan? Management. Okay, for what areas? 5. Remember 5 words. Market, operations, customer. These 3 words are clear? Compete. And along with achieve objectives. I'm not requiring to ratify complete answer, but keyword. Because of MCQ and other things, we need to retain every element. MCQ need to be taken care. Okay, game plan. It may also, we may define the term strategy. Here you will try to ratify. We may define term strategy. Everybody on the screen or at your notes. Okay. We may define strategy as a, what is the word? Long range blueprint of an organization's desired 3 things: image, direction, destination. So if at all, one definition of strategy we discussed. What is the definition of strategy there? One definition of strategy I discussed with you. What is the strategy? Something to do with winning the war. I hope you remember this one. Okay, and this one book example, remember this one. Okay, strategy means, okay, long range blueprint of organization's desired image, direction, and destination. We need to remember this, that for sure at any cost. One more definition of strategy. So help me out, define strategy. 2 definition. Strategy 2 definition. Strategy 2 definition. First point, it is something to do with, when you need to remember bhai, rato bhai, it's something to do with. And second, strategy is long range blueprint. Long range blueprint of organizations 3 things. Desired what? Image, direction, and destination. What image I want in industry? What image I want in market? What is my direction? Where I want to go? And what is my destination? Okay, that blueprint is nothing but a strategy. Blueprint is nothing but a strategy. Tell me, okay, for you, what is a long range blueprint? What is your strategy right now? Desired direction, desired image, desired direction, desired destination. generalize it, I'm discussing in general parlance. Right now, what is your strategy? It's a long range blueprint. It's your plan. Help me out. Are you doing the classes? Okay, after completing classes. What after completing classes? Self study means what? Self study, how many months? Oh, yaar. After many times also, you are still not on that point. Tell me what you will do when your classes are getting over. Jan examinations, Jan month. Everybody clear? After Jan, Feb, what you will do? Okay, you will go on tour to Australia or Sri Lanka or America. No, no. What you are doing then in February? Self-study. Okay, self-study. Okay, you will be studying group 1 first. I'm just giving an example. Use that example. Na? February you will be using group 1. March and April. Okay, mock test. Only mock test. RTPs. Okay, MTPs. Okay, this is what you will be doing. This is nothing but your strategy. This is your long range blueprint. Okay, where you want to decide your desired direction, desired destination. So long range blueprint is nothing but a strategy. Every element is strategy. Every element is strategy. Every element is strategy. So strategy, yesterday ma'am told that strategy is a plan. It's a plan. But which plan? A small plan or long-term plan? Long-term plan. So again, this word need to be taken care. That is what it wants to be, organization wants to be, what it wants to do, and how it wants to do the things, and where it wants to go. Following are the other definition. Ignore this definition. Okay, this definition, 2 definition, ignore it out. Okay, sir, why? Unless and until, okay, Ensoff and William Gluck, what is their strategies? Okay, you cannot analyze the definition. You may only rectify. So first understand the strategy. Tomorrow, by tomorrow end, we'll be understanding Ensoff strategy. Tomorrow morning, we'll be discuss about Gluck strategy. Okay, and after that, read the definition. You can connect it very well. Because what is their strategy? Accordingly, the definition can be closed out. So right now, leave this definition. This can be linked with chapter 4th. So this 2 definition, leave it out. Okay. So right now, from multiple definitions, which definition I have read it? Okay, this was the definition which I have read with you. This was the definition which I have read with you. Okay, which definition need to be ratified? Ratified means, are you aware about ratified? Ratified means? Rata. Remember. So which definition you will remember? The second one. This one should be remembered thoroughly. Okay. Baki other I will tell you when we complete it out. Okay. Come to the next paragraph. Important to note. Read this. You read this, close this. Important to note. What is that first note, buddy? Strategy is no substitute for sound, alert, and responsible management. I hope this point is very clear. How much your strategy is so good, whatever superb strategy, then also it is not replacing management. Why? I've discussed this yesterday. Tell me, yaar, why strategy is not able to replace the management, buddy? Because strategy is based on environment, and environment may change. If environment change, who is responsible to do the reactions or adaptive changes? Management. So we require a management. It must be recognized that strategy can never be what? Perfect, flawless, and optimal. Can never be perfect. There will always be a flaw. And one example, one reason you have already discussed, limitation of SM. How many limitations of SM are there? 4. First limitation, environment is complex and turbulent. That's the reason, okay, it cannot be flawless. Because we are taking a decision based on that environment, which is constantly changing. It is in very nature of strategy that it is flexible and pragmatic to take care of sudden emergencies, pressures, and avoid failures and frustrations. याद रखना, remember this one, strategy is always flexible and pragmatic. Sir, what is the meaning of pragmatic? Adapting changes, adaptive. Pragmatic matlab adaptive, means adaptive. It's adapting to the changes in the sudden emergencies, pressure, avoid failures, frustrations. It's the nature of strategy. It's a nature of strategy. We'll consider this. Acha, tell me, when the central government has launched the bill that betting app should be banned, Dream 11 companies was blunder. The next day the business was shut down. Do you think company is completely closed? No. Dream 11 is entering into game software. They're entering into game software. Okay, you just search on Google, you'll come to know they are also they are ready with the plan. This is called which strategy? Reactive. So taking care of it. So if I am reactive, it means my strategy is rigid or flexible. Rigid or flexible. So strategy should be rigid or strategy should be flexible. Oh, I'm unable to hear. Flexible. And one more word for flexible, buddy. Pragmatic. Pragmatic. Adaptive. In a sound strategy, okay, allowances are made possible miscalculations and unanticipated events. Okay, if you are developing a sound strategy, it should consider the allowances for possible miscalculation and unanticipated events. What does this line means? Anybody who can help me out? Anybody who can help me out with this line? Online, you think about it. Anybody who can tell me what this line means? In a sound strategy, allowances are made for possible miscalculation and unanticipated events. In a sound strategy, don't go with a normal word, sound, hearing sound. Sound strategy. So what sound strategy means? Good strategy, I know you are converting in English, but I want my SM language. Sound strategy. Read the line, tell me, interpret. Acha, I have discussed n number of times now, since yesterday. Oh, my friends. Perfect. The sound strategy means, okay, I should not be only proactive. I should be proactive and reactive. Okay, it means strategy should be blend of proactive and reactive. Okay, at top, mention. Okay, sound strategy. Whenever I discuss this word, if you are not able, okay, to take the care of these keywords, you are doing the blunder with your SM subject. And this does not require a tremendous efforts of 200, 300 hours. This requires the tremendous efforts of 50 hours. And after that, being alert to the words which I am telling you again and again. So whenever I come across one word, sound strategy. If I'm saying Amit Ated has prepared a sound strategy, what should be your interpretation? Amit Ated has being blend of proactive and reactive. Yani Amit Ated has considered only environment, or Amit Ated has also considered changes in environment can expected environments. Means Amit Ated has considered only current environment or future changes in environment also. The boss. I hope this point is very clear. Yes or no? So tell me sound. Whenever I say strategy is sound. Okay. And I'm telling you, you are not required to remember only for day 1. It's a complete syllabus of SM. I will just link this point. I just want to show you how it will affect till chapter 5. Just remember this. Come to the page number 105. 105. Everybody on 105? ABCD? Okay, in ABCD, okay, strategy formulation. Okay, you are looking out 2 words. What are the 2 words? Strategy formulation. Left side. Sound and flawed. What is the meaning of sound strategy? Sound strategy formulation means what? Blend of proactive and reactive. When I say flaw strategy formulation, flaw means what then? Okay, it means either I am proactive only or reactive, but I'm not a blend of proactive reactive. I hope this point is very clear, buddy. So whenever we use the word strategy, it's okay, but sound strategy, proactive. Can we close on this now? Okay, I hope everybody has noted out and top. Yes or no? Okay, whenever I say a note, make a note. Don't have confidence on your brain. Your brain is small. Okay, which after next subject, this concept will Vicks vapor up. All content of brain will go. And after that, once again, when you come, are sound strategy? Are strategy, voice is not coming, sound. It's a fucked joke. It was a joke. What you tell, I don't know. In Mumbai, we always tell punctured joke. Punctured, PG. A kind of cow joke. So I'm just discussing cow joke. I hope everybody clear. In organization, strategies can be formulated at how many levels? Can we close on 3 levels? Go ahead. Strategy is partly proactive and partly reactive. Okay. A company's strategy is typically a blend of proactive actions on the part of managers to improve the company's market position and financial performance. Reaction to the unanticipated developments and fresh market conditions in the dynamic business environment. You need to remember this points, okay, which I'm doing in blue right now. This one, okay, remember. Whenever I use the word are, remember that point you need to remember from theory point of view. Remember, so if I tell you, okay, write a note on proactive and reactive or blend of proactive and reactive, starting point should be this one. Proactive actions on the part of managers to improve the company's market position and financial performance. Reaction to unanticipated developments and fresh market conditions in a dynamic business environment. Okay. In other words, go on the next page. In other words, company uses both proactive and reactive strategies to cope up with the uncertain business environment. Proactive is a planned strategy, whereas reactive is a, what is reactive? Adaptive to changing circumstances. Okay. Till here, everybody notes, till here is your one theory answer of proactive and reactive. Whatever the next page is, it's a general knowledge which we'll be discussing from MCQ point of view, something like that. I have not deleted reason simple because it's everything in module. So we are keeping the intact the data from module. I told you yesterday also. I am also inspired from which module? ICA. So I am keeping everything intact. But it doesn't mean everything to be remembered. So on this page, okay, on third page, we'll read the content and understand and swaha. When you're revising the book, okay, which page you will ratify? R. R means, okay, it's reading wala content. This is what you need to write for proactive and reactive. Okay, do you remember yesterday one question we have discussed? Okay, oh, you forgot because you have a habit of forgetting. Acro Limited. Remembered? It was 1 mark. Okay, so the question was, discuss the strategic approach taken by Acro Limited. Remember or not? Okay, in that, you are not required to write this answer at all. This at all, proactive and reactive. In that, what was the answer? You just need to remember the concept of proactive and reactive, and while writing proactive, how Acro is proactive, you need to mention that one. So if you remember how Acro was proactive, brand identity, marketing campaigns, new products. How Acro is reactive, changing quickly to the market conditions, new products, and competitor pricing strategies. I hope you remember. So if such kind of question comes, okay, if at all you write this, okay, will not make a sense. Okay, the reason simple, marks were not there. because both the question were of how many marks? 1 marks. But if this question comes for, imagine, listen carefully, yeah? I'm discussing for you. Otherwise, I've done the question, I'm already ahead. Okay. Remember, if question comes, that Acro Limited question comes for 5 marks itself, in that case, you will be writing this along with integrated case study. Then how your answer should be in that Acro Limited? Acro Limited is proactive because Acro Limited is taking proactive action on the part of manager to improve the company's market position and financial performance. And reactive is basically unanticipated developments and fresh market conditions in dynamic business environment. And in other words, company uses both proactive and reactive strategies. This is how your answer should be there. If it is a how much marks question? 5 marks. But because it was only for, why we are writing this? Because the question was 5. Fifth question was there. So it requires case study. So in that scenario, what should be your answer? Am I required to write detailed answer here? So if it is 1 mark question, what you should do then? What do you do? Proactive and reactive. Should you write your own content, our book content? So then what you should write? Question ka content. You should understand proactive, reactive, but in proactive, Gaya, you are ending writing up reactive. In proactive, you are writing, okay, companies quickly adapt the changes. Gaya, next item is confirmed. Just remember, this is proactive, this was proactive, and this is reactive. Just you need to write that one. But if this is 5 marks question then? If this is only 5 mark question, this only strategic approach is 5 mark question, then in this case, okay, so you will write the book content plus integrated strategy. Can we close on this, buddy? Are we on same platform? I hope, don't, whatever efforts we are taking, at least it should churn out the fruits here. I hope this is very clear. Okay, this some diagram is there, some concepts are there. Okay, so you are not required to remember this, understand this. Sir, I was successful in the past. Thought successful. Will I be successful in the future also? Why? I was thought successful in past. Thought successful, super successful. So will I be successful in my future also? My question is very straightforward, Ray. We don't know. Maybe. Why may not be? Why? Maybe is okay, but why may not be? Environment may change. So what past you did good, what you best did in CA Foundation is now abundant thing for you in Inter. It is a abundant strategy elements. It is not proactive, it is not reactive. It is abundant. Past is past. Yes, I told you one line. Survival of the fittest. Who is the fit? Survival of the fittest. Survival of the fittest. Fit. Who is the fit? Large company or the company which is adapting to the changes. The problem comes with managers because managers think I've taken the decision. I am so successful. So I will in future I will be successful. It is not about how you are there. It is about what you will do in future. So what they say, what is an abundant strategy elements? Look at the screen. Abundant strategy elements. Abundant. Don't consider that. Sir, I scored 300, 350 in foundation, sir. Abundant. Inter is different. Inter does not require your past strategies. So what is the abundant strategy elements? Company's experiences, know-how resources, strength, weakness, and competition capabilities of past. These are abundant. To be successful in May 26, you should be proactive and reactive. Then what is a proactive? Proactive is what are the new initiatives which institute is taking. Plus ongoing strategy elements continued from prior periods. Some strategy elements you may continue from prior period. It may happen. A best example, law you studied in foundation. Those who gave foundation, those who are direct entry, you never came across foundation. But you were reading law here first time. But those who gave foundation, okay, you have come across law. Achha, those are direct entry also may have come across law in BCom. Okay, no. Because college, there is a law exam, na? Oh, who are direct entry? T-shirt. Who are direct entry? Acha, so your college is done, na? College is going on. Done. So in college, BCom you have done BCom. So in BCom, was there a law paper? So you are also aware about law. My question, do you think law knowledge, foundation and direct entry also, law knowledge which you studied in foundation, Indian Contract Act, do you think that knowledge will be completely helpful here? No. But that can be, some of the element can be used here. Example, company law, LLP. LLP can be used in intermediate. Company law can be used in intermediate. So some of the element of prior period, some of the element of prior period can also be used here. Not every element. So what is, you should be proactive. And second, adaptive reaction to the changing circumstances. Sir, can you tell me for you what is an adaptive reactions? Adapting for you, adaptive strategy. Proactive, you are going with plan one. Adaptive. What is adaptive, buddy? No idea. For you, adaptive is, suppose in month of March, institute comes with some amendments. Tell me, okay, will you consider that amendment for May examination or no? Institute comes with amendments, okay, will you consider, right now, are we considering RTP? Yes or no? Are we planning RTP? Are we planning MTP? Suppose institute brings TPT, one more test series. Should we consider that also or not? But that should be considered right now or in future when it change in environment. Change in environment. That is called which strategy is reactive. And ultimately, okay, your latest version of company's strategy will be there, which is an actual strategy. So what is the new knowledge you got from this diagram? One word. One word. Past experience are always abundant. You can use some of the data from past experience, but you cannot use the past successful data for future. So you should be a proactive or reactive. Blend of proactive and reactive. Okay, but you should have one more, you should be knowing one more word. Abundant strategy elements. What are the abundant strategy elements? Past. I hope this point is very clear. Nothing to be remembered only from MCQ point. Oh? Acha, from past, can I use some prior period data in future? Yes, but complete strategy cannot be used. And why we cannot use complete strategy? Because the environment changes. Simple point, one point. Okay, after that we'll take a break. I'm telling you, before May 24, if you see my lecture on YouTube of SM, it was completely different. And from May 24, the lectures are completely different. Including May 24, the lecture were different. May 24 examination took place. After that, my teaching style, see, how I teach, the style remains same, but the content to be incorporated has changed a lot. It is only because of the examination pattern. Earlier, institute was very repetitive. Every question, I'm telling you, mark kasam. Okay, in before 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, to score in EIS and SM. SM was there 50 marks. EIS was other paper. 50 marks of SM. It was, arey bhai, ratify, end. Question was direct. 24, the question pattern has changed. Just go home or go to the hostel and see that red booklet, the other booklet, a question bank, volume 3. You'll come to know every case study is different. Why? How institute is coming across new case studies every time? ChatGPT. Institute's AI GPT. Institute does not now, right now, I am not a person. Earlier, the person was drafting the paper. From last 2 years, who is drafting the paper? Computers, AI. And to tell AI to draft a paper, I'm telling you, you'll never get a case study repetition. Mark my words. I swear. Mark my words. In any paper. You go with audit, you go with law, you go with this. CA final. Okay, even in this intermediate, I hope you have seen, law paper was so lengthy. CA final, audit paper, question paper itself is of 50 pages. 50 pages. 15 nahi. 50 pages question paper. So if they have changed their pattern, you need to change their pattern. We need to change their pattern. Okay, we can't go how I used to teach. Arey bhai, never in my life I told to remember so sound strategy, remember this word, okay, CC, CA, remember this keyword, acha, strategy, approach, strategy. I never told. There was a direct question, Ray. It is only because of past papers. It's a blunder. You are in front of you. I shown you Jan 25 paper, which was having a question. Everybody here written strategic approach. Everybody wrote, maximum students wrote strategy instead of strategic approach. And somebody wrote strategic approach. Here also he wrote strategic approach only. But this question was two types. One was strategic approach and one was asking about strategy, differentiation. It's a combination. This need to be capable. You should be capable of handling this. So what I have did in past will never make me successful. I was ratifying. Acha, till now also I am ratifying. You have seen this chart now and you are already aware that we can ratify. Almost this question has been done with ratification. Now you can ratify. Acha, did I go only abba dabba chabba ratify? I discuss the concepts. How concepts can be learned. And it is revising. We are through the concept. Suppose tomorrow institute brings open book exam. Open book exam, you can take this book in examination and you will write the answer from the book. And CA final one paper is this. One paper is open book exam. And by the time you are going in CA final, you will be getting 3 papers open book exam. 3 papers. 50% syllabus will be open book exam for your CA final. 3 papers will be how you are remembering in intermediate. Now imagine if open book exam starts, institute says SM will be open book exam. Why I will waste my time to ratify this content? Should I waste this time to ratify this content? No, I should ensure only that you are understanding these concepts. Because at the end of the day, you will be looking in a book and examination and you will be writing this. So strategy need to be changed or not? So everything. Right now I'm taking care of this 35 marks theory. We are trying to do this hard work. So all together, what is an abundant strategy? I hope abundant strategy is very clear. Yes or no? ठीक है. Starting in 15 minutes. आ जाइए break लेके. 10 minutes में आ जाइए आप. Fresh होके आ जाइए. Okay. After that we'll start and we'll take next break at 1:15. Is it okay? Yes or no? अच्छा हाँ.